mini show pony, double doggy, how you doing? Yes, I am wearing a Forever Lazy today. Why? Because I'm a fucking adult and I dress myself accordingly. So this might be like the dumbest video I've ever made, and I've made a lot of dumb videos. I'll be the first to admit that. This is certainly the most immature video I've ever made. And I know some of you are probably gonna be like, what the fuck is this? It's not the first time you've ever logged onto my channel and been like, what the fuck is this? Happens more often than not. So a couple weeks ago my friends were in town visiting. So we went to like the gag gift store. Got this thing. It's a fart machine, right? And it has a little remote and you put some batteries in there. I'm sorry. And we found out that the dogs were terrified of the fart machine. And before everybody goes all like, oh, you're so mean, that's so mean, like, I'm gonna call fucking PETA, we spaced these out over a couple weeks. Like, one, because it's kind of mean, and two, because they would catch on, and then they wouldn't think it was scary anymore. So for all of you that are so concerned about me scaring my dogs with a fart machine, I'll just have you know, after about a minute of it, they're like, I know that makes a farting sound. I'm over it. A dog getting scared by a fart is not going to kill him, okay? I bet your actual butt scares your dog as much as the fart machine does, okay? So just get off your high horse. So here are some clips of me scaring my dogs with a fart machine. Excuse me, Marble. Excuse me, Marble. Yeah, you said the fart machine doesn't bother me that much. Right, Kermie? Oh, I already know what that is. We're gonna go snuggle and stuff, aren't we? And make sure you subscribe to our channel. I'm a praying mantis. We make new videos every Wednesday. Right? Yeah. I'm sorry, buddy. Sometimes you just have to play some practical jokes on your dogs. And then laugh at them. Brings you closer together. Alright, I'll see you next week. Bye, Spider-Man. I see your calf, Spider-Man. It's looking beefy. Been hitting the gym. Me too. Not. Bye.